डालो.
यार okay that's fine.
Just in case things याद आ गए.
इसका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छा है.
Wow.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Wow.
As in I don't know about you know कि
If you get it, basically.
okay.
Which she does, it's
No,
my
no, no.
fault.
Obviously, only then you would
It's a
even
big
realize that
question.
sense of humor.
No, of course I got this also. But मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि से बाकियों से हर एक का टेस्ट अलग होता है. But again I must say कि हाँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस हैं हम दोनों में बात में. लेकिन you know जो सिमिलैरिटीज़ हैं वो इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. और आई फील इज कि जो डिफरेंसेस हैं वो शायद मैटर ही नहीं करते. फिर जब उन पे डिस्कशन होती है तो वो
And
जो
differences
डिस्कशन
में मजा भी आता है.
Yeah, you know.
It's a fun thing to discuss.
Yeah, because वो ऐसे differences which don't actually matter. So yeah, जो इसका sense of मैं हंसती हूँ and हाँ और मैंने और शायद इसके हर joke पे you know I value his jokes और मैं इसको बोलती हूँ यार this was good one. I like it. This was really good.
Wow, I like that.
Really good
And
sense
because
of humor.
I feel my sense of humor is a little on the subtle and sarcastic
Little
side.
dry. It's
Little dry. Yeah.
Yeah.
So and not a lot of people appreciate that, you know. So
You know,
Oh, there
you
are
know,
two
I think
right in front of you.
I think no, इसके
That is-
sense of humor में. So for me, you can't show the talent of your sense of humor by making fun of anybody. So that is something I hate. तुम मेरे सामने किसी का मजाक बनाओगे, I know एक तो मैं ओवर इमोशनल हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि किसी का ऐसे फालतू में मजाक बना के नहीं मेरे सामने प्रूव करो कि तुम्हारा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छा है. इसका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर वैसा वाला नहीं है. ऐसे जेन्युइन सा सटल सा. That's why I like his sense of humor because it's genuinely good.
and I also believe, I think at least a lot of times maybe I'm not trying to be funny, but cracks her up like there's no tomorrow.
एक चीज़ मैं उसका भी recently तुम लोग दोनों के interviews देख रही थी for different reasons, but I was watching them and Varun would definitely remember our first interview, yours and mine, where the damn chhatri fell down and his reaction was okay then, and you wouldn't believe I started saying that phrase
Really?
just about everywhere.
Oh.
And I always keep remembering you whenever I say okay then.
Yeah, because a little change in angle of the chhatri and it was coming straight on my head.
Exactly. So
Yeah, you know, very subtle.
today,
But
very
yeah.
subtle. That's one example of sense of humor. You can actually
Do I have
find
to
it
tell 3 things I don't like?
if you want to. If you don't,
No, I
find
think
any-
that was also a part of the
Oh, that was part of the question.
And judging by the tone, she's quite eager to start.
No. I was just waiting. मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं इसको बोलूँ कि बताओ मेरे बारे में. और then I realized शायद मेरा question अभी तक नहीं. I mean, am I done with the answer? I think
हाँ,
that was
3
it.
तो हो गए.
हो गया. चलो, your turn. चल.
I thought you were going to say.
पहले अच्छी
No,
बातें
no.
बता लें.
हाँ.
एक बता दी, दूसरी अच्छी बात.
हाँ.
एक कौन सी बताई? अच्छा वो डिटो कर दिया. Easy. See shortcuts.
No, I think you have the advantage that you are able to actually think of 3 things now. If you want me to think of 2 different things, then I will do that.
So no, of course 2 things so you have to tell me na. Because one you said ditto.
Huh. Which was
The work.
the co-actor, no?
Yeah.
And I'm taking this much time because I don't want to repeat whatever she said. So let
No,
me.
you can. That's fine. You can't say that I have good sense of humor.
Yeah, I can't
ये
say
तो
that.
रिपीट नहीं करने वाले.
नहीं, इसका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर तो अविनाश ने भांजी मार दी है पूरी.
क्या मार दी?
कहता.
See sense of say I don't know. I think ये तो कुछ टैलेंट ही है मेरे में कि ऐसे गंदे से गंदे जोक्स पे भी हंस के ऐसे मैं उसको गलत मलत वाली फीलिंग दे देती हूँ. क्या जोक मार क्या जोक. So yeah.
अब वो तो टैलेंट ही है कि वो जोक को अलग रख के एक और जोक बन जाता
What's
है
happened?
just by her laughter and 5 times कहता.
Yeah.
अभी मैं कहूँ. क्या है?
देख रही हूँ मैं तुम्हारी.
अच्छा मैं ऐसे कह रहा हूँ से कभी ऐसे
Of course.
Okay.
Oh my God, ये तो मेरे तारीफ में बोलने वाले हो.
हाँ मैं okay. So lot of times
Are you sure
several-
ये मेरी तारीफ की बात
अरे
है?
मुझे बोलने दो then you
All
can
right,
decide.
okay.
A lot of times when we've watched a few movies जहाँ पे she gets emotional on certain points now where I'm like, wow, what?
थोड़ा पीछे जा.
वो थोड़ा पीछे जा. अच्छा, अभी बोलो.
हाँ.
पूरा.
Sorry.
Like what I mean is, for example, it doesn't have. It'll be the most unexpected things. Okay, the whatever it is, a emotional thing going, but the certain thing, the certain point that she feels most and gets emotional on. For example, like it must be someone's suffering that she must just be thinking about, which may not be necessarily be shown in the movie, but she thinks about it. And she puts maybe herself in it, or maybe she starts thinking about it in reality and starts overthinking about it, and then she gets involved in it. And yeah, it is a compliment for me, because it's Wahabi. I guess it boils down to honesty only, but that trait that the honesty pushes out of her, which is to grasp these subtle emotional moments and to actually understand them, I think that I love about her.
You have never told me this.
I haven't, yeah. So
I'm
isn't that
so
a good-
glad we are doing this interview.
I noticed it, but I never got a chance कि ऐसे मैं तुम्हें बिठा के ऐसे बोलूं.
I know.
But
Wow.
हाँ, but मुझे ऐसे since I had the opportunity, I grasped it, and I think that was so good that it covers the third one as well. Nice.
I know. Oh my God, I'm still thinking.
मुझे
कि क्या
तुम्हारे
हाँ.
इस thought पे,
हाँ.
what you complimented her, just the day before yesterday when we met, we were talking about some topic, and exactly the similar thing came to me about her emotions, where she gets involved, like you said. She actually, the phrase that you were looking for is she puts herself in the other person's shoes, and she lives that moment that she envisages that person has lived.
Right. But my point
But her
was
reaction is completely different from what the other person would have been.
exactly. My point is that say supposing in a movie it doesn't necessarily show the pain that she's thinking of, but it triggers it off, and that is.
Like in
I think that's why
Airlift.
she's such a.
Like in Airlift. I saw it. It had an emotional connect for me personally.
Yeah, I cried
But
in Airlift also.
But she must have cried. She must have cried thinking about what the other people were suffering, even though it was actually just brushed upon and not delved into.
Exactly.
Right? Now I know someone who has actually been through that, lived through that. So for me, the connect was real. When I told her about it, she reacted with even more depth
Of
than she would have
course.
when she'd seen the movie, and she was like, "Actually, I said what? Huh? Oh my God, that is horrible experience to have gone through." And at a very young age, for a child, it's even worse than. See, as an adult, we can sometimes rationalize things and say it's part of life. But we were talking about as a child what you've suffered.
And you can't expect a child to understand it rationally as an adult would.
Exactly. And she can actually put herself through that, whether it's her own experience or living through someone else's experience, to empathize to that level. That is something that I like about it. मैंने बोला तो मैं तेरे को कुछ बोलने नहीं वाली, लेकिन बोल भी दिया.
तुम रह ही नहीं पाई. Right?
Actually.
अभी bad thing.
Bad things? तुम अभी you start.
With the bad things.
तुमने वैसे बाय द वे मेरी 2 ही गुड थिंग्स बताई यार.
उसने बोला ना ये covers the third one also.
बताओ.
थर्ड वन कौन सी?
No, as in ये इतना अच्छा था कि it's as good as 2.
He's always.
नहीं?
अभी बैड थिंग्स देखना तुम 3 की 5 बताएगा.
अच्छा compensate वो जो एक रह जाएगा 4 bad things.
No, प्लीज मुझे बोलो बैड थिंग्स. मैं हमेशा बैड थिंग को बहुत इंटरेस्ट से सुनती हूँ.
Bad thing चलो मैं and it has something to do with her first good point, which is ke our weirdness matches. So she recognizes ke it matches. जितना overthink वो करती है उतना ही शायद मैं overthink करता हूँ, and we probably, and we both recognize that. But sometimes I feel there are situations where she may not give me enough due that I may also be overthinking something. That's why maybe a particular I come across a particular way, and it could be misconstrued as something else. So, but that is not something that's just something that you'll get better with time. It's not a permanent damage.
No, but as long as it's, I mean,
It's something, you see, areas of improvement. That's
Yeah,
not bad things
that's-
about you.
that-
Right.
But this
that's
is
why we
something that
discuss bad
it
things,
helps
right?
any relationship.
yeah.
This is one medium you can talk it out. I behave.
No,
I'm
it's not an
behaving like a
issue.
shrink right now. I'm gonna cut this.
Charge $3.20 an hour.
Dollars?
Yes.
But yeah, this is something as sometimes we can say some things in person. Sometimes we say it through a medium.
No. It's always sorted out. That's not the issue at all. But at that point,
नहीं याद आता
क्या नहीं याद आता?
ऐसे बोलना.
नहीं of course ये
No.
याद रखता है. मैं ऐसा नहीं कि मैं पहली बार सुन रही हूँ, बोल चुका हूँ.
बोल चुका था
हाँ,
यार,
हाँ.
बढ़िया है.
अरे मैंने
it's
बोला
a
ना कि
ongoing thing.
डिस्कशन तो हमारी कभी रह ही नहीं सकती.
Sometimes I look forward to it. अच्छा ये misunderstanding है. Oh wow, this discussion is gonna be good.
Nice. I like
Because
when
I
people
believe this-
communicate about everything that they think.
No,
That's the
because
best
there's
thing about
nothing
us,
beyond
I think.
discussion. Nothing is beyond discussion, I feel.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
As long as you're open to it.
absolutely.
And it's not about that you don't want to do it. Sometimes you can't think that you can do it. I mean, yeah, communication is the only thing, according to me, that is the only solution to everything. You should communicate. So, yeah, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार ये तो हर stupid चीज़ जो मैं सोच सकती हूँ ये भी सोच सकता है.
And I also love to argue. अभी उसका it doesn't mean that I want to be aggressive or I want to win an argument. Also, it doesn't mean that. I just like to argue. Where I can put my points across.
Yeah.
I want to listen to your points as well, and then we can both come to an informed decision.
हाँ, मैं शायद गिव अप कर देती हूँ. जहाँ पे ऐसे मुझे पता हो ना, नॉट विद हिम. इट्स लाइक फिर ये ही सेज दैट ऐसा कैसे तुमने उसको ये क्यों नहीं बोला, तुमने उसको ये क्यों नहीं बोला, ऐसा भी हो सकता था, इसमें ये भी हो सकता था.
हाँ, that's true.
एंड या
ऐसे तो या.
2 पॉइंट्स याद आ गए मुझे भी.
Go. Let's go one by one.